In this video, we are gonna make this amazing logo design in Adobe Illustrator. This design is inspired from a butterfly and shoes. Hey guys, this is Sachin Chaturvedi and welcome to SkillTube. So let's get into the video without any further delay. First of all, draw a logo on a paper, then import your design into the AI file. Now pick up the line tool and draw a vertical line right here. Now what we gotta do, apply stroke to this, and now we gotta create so many circles here of different sizes. Now align this circle according to the edges of this shoe, just like that. Perfect. Now create another circle of smaller size, align according to the shoe, something like that. Turn on the view outline mode by pressing Ctrl Y and press Ctrl Shift Y to exit that outline mode. Drag it by holding Alt key to duplicate the circle. Something like that. Perfect. Alright, so create another circle by duplicating that. Press Ctrl Y to turn on outline mode. So we are done with our circles. Pick up the shape builder tool and drag by holding Alt key to remove unwanted parts of these shapes. This tool will remove all these unwanted strokes. Drag it by holding Alt key. Remove this one as well. Now in order to merge these shapes, drag the shape builder tool without holding Alt key. Now fill color in this. Perfect. You can fill color according to your preferences. Delete your rough sketch from the background. Now duplicate this shoe and flip this by 180 degree. Align by using Pathfinder. You can get it from Windows if you are unable to find Pathfinder. Now use pen tool to make antennas of this butterfly design. Now increase the size of the stroke, change the profile to this, clip it. Now go to object and click on expand appearance. Duplicate this shape, flip it by 180 degree by using reflect tool. Align it just like this. Now select both these shapes and merge it by using Pathfinder. Align this V shape according to the butterfly shape. Center align this. And our logo is almost done. Now we gotta write name of this brand. The name of this brand is Vintage Shoes. Change the font size and font style according to your preferences. Perfect. So we are done with our logo. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video.